AALCF-2B PPH Filter Housing Cartridge Replacement Procedure. First, shut down the system. Open the lifting ring and remove the top cover. Unscrew the PP nut and remove the hold-down plate. Take out the used filter cartridge. Install a new cartridge. Filtration ratings from 0.1 to 800 microns are available to meet different application requirements. Reinstall the PP hold-down plate and tighten the nut securely. Close and lock the clamp. Thanks to the quick opening design, the entire cartridge replacement process can be completed in just 3 minutes, making operation fast, simple, and efficient.